Hello and welcome to Exchange Server 2016 training, the course of adventure. Well, my name is Parvizam Joe and I have got 11 years of experience in networking domain and I've been working with different networking environments where I've worked with enterprise, mid-level, small businesses and different organizations and I've dealt with different technologies and one of those technologies were Microsoft Exchange Server and I've got Bachelor of Science degree in Information Technology, and I have got Microsoft and Cisco certifications. And Microsoft certifications that I got is Microsoft Certified Solution Expert, Server 2012, and Exchange 2013. I've got Microsoft Certified Technology Specialist, Microsoft Certified Information Technology Professional, Server 2008, Exchange 2007, and SharePoint 2007. So I got couple other certifications in Microsoft too, and I got Cisco certifications, and um, I am Cisco certified network professional and Cisco certified design professional. Um, and I also got CCIE, which is Internet Network Expert, written in security. I also got um, ITIL, which is IT Management version 3. So this is my introduction, and most of you is thinking that how is it called the course of adventure? Because I'm going to make it adventurous for you all. You're gonna love it, and you're gonna see different practices, different techniques and ideas on how to manage your Exchange server, how to troubleshoot your Exchange server, how to deal with it on a daily basis. So all those things will be part of this training. So I'm going to make sure that I just share all my experience and knowledge with you, and at the end of this course, you are able to do these three things. So that's our course objectives. Once you all are done with this video training series, you will be able to do um, three things that you see here. So first thing first, all those professionals or all those professionals who are already working in Exchange and they wanna implement or deploy or just wanna upgrade their existing Exchange server environment, they will be able to do that because installing Exchange server is an easy thing if you do it because most applications are like next, 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 finish, but I'll take my word back that it's not the easy thing. Exchange is not the easy thing, but some applications are like installing some applications are really easy. But Exchange Server is not like that. So before installing Exchange Server, you have to understand what are the requirements, what are the best practices, what are the techniques, and what knowledge you need to have in order to install Exchange Server, especially when you're running on a production environment, because when it's production environment, everything is up and running and you don't know what you're doing, like you're doing upgrade from server 2000, like Exchange Server 2013 or 10 to 2016, and you don't know what you're doing. You're gonna break things. So you need to know how to properly upgrade or how to properly work on Exchange Server 2016 environment. So the next thing that you will be able to do is you will be preparing yourself to take Exchange Server 2016 exam. So let me just show you quickly something. So as you can see in here, I have got this link in here that I also have it in the slide. So you can see that Microsoft.com ENUS Learning Exam 70-345. So all exams that you take, they have their exam code. So for Exchange Server 2016, the code is 70-345. So as you can see, This is designing and deploying a Microsoft Exchange Server 2016, and the exam fee is 165. I remember when I took my Exchange 2007, I just paid like $90, I guess. So it's getting expensive these days. So, anyways, so you see that this is how you can just see the how much you have to pay. You can schedule exam from here. Once you click in here, you will have to you will be prompted for exam registration page, and there you will have to sign in with your Hotmail account, and then put your information in there, uh, and then you will be able to do the exam. Um, you will just select what training center you want to choose, like what time, all those things. So the other thing that is important in here is um, objectives. So you can see in here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first thing, like these are your objectives, or these are the outlines that you have to cover. The first thing is plan, deploy, manage, and troubleshoot, and this is going to cover 15 to 20% of your exam. So meaning that you have to know all these things in here in order to pass the exam. So these are the areas that you need to learn, and in this training series, we are going to go through all these, and we will make sure that once you're done with this, you are just prepared for the exam. So you can just go in this page and see what are the requirements and how can you take the exam. Like if you just expand this, you will be able to see like what parts you need to cover. So all these things you can just see it in here. So I'll just go ahead and go with the third one, and the third one is something that you will love. So that's work like an experienced Exchange server guru. So once you're done, if you're professional, if you're new, or if you're willing to improve your career, I promise if you follow what I am teaching, if you follow the labs, if you follow the materials that we have, you make your own lab as I'm going to do, you will be the Exchange Server 2016 guru. You will be able to work on an environment. I'll give you the day-to-day practical or real life examples, just to make sure that you all are learning what you need to learn in order to, for example, if you're going for an interview, if you're going to deploy it in your environment, or if you are a professional who is trying to improve his career. So just follow me, um, and you will see the results. So let's go to third one. The third slide is initial lab. So I'm going to expand this lab based on our requirements. So you can see in here that I've got two labs, and I'm going to build this lab from scratch in a virtual environment, and I'm going to show you how to install like VMware workstation, and then how to install servers, how to install like domain controller. So this is going to be something like in most training, if you see, most of the things are already set up, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna walk through every single step from the start, and I'm gonna make sure that all of you catch up like on everything from the scratch, so that most of you who have got no experience, who are students who are trying to learn, they know how to make or build their own environment at home, at their office. Make sure your boss is not gonna catch you. So um, I'm so excited because I'm just gonna I have got many plans for you guys, and to make sure that everyone is gonna learn uh, what they need to. So we got New York lab and we got Sacramento lab. So we're gonna have two domain controllers, one on each, and we got two exchange in here, like one on each. And later on, when we learn new things, we will add one more domain on each side and one more exchange on each side, and we will see how we will do the like load balancing between our domain controllers, our exchange servers, like if one exchange database goes down or one exchange server goes down, how the other is going to handle. So I hope that this is going to be useful for all of you, and let's jump into next video. And thank you very much for watching.